Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the Golden Piggy and what it's for and grow a garden. So basically, the ingredients needed for it used to be Silver Piggy, spaghetti, tanning mirror, and medium treat. But I can't make the spaghetti for some reasons. It's always going to turn into a pizza, so they did change it. It does take 45 minutes to craft. And you'll need 300 million shekels for it. You also need to craft the Silver Piggy first, which you need a pig, sushi, lightning rod, medium toy, and some shekels. So now let's craft the Golden Piggy. I have the Silver Piggy here. Oh, it's here. Select recipe, craft. I have everything already in my inventory. You do need to craft the tanning mirror first. Then I'm just going to start crafting, and I'll be right back with the Golden Piggy and I'll show you guys what it does. And our Golden Piggy is done. It is a mythical pet, and basically its abilities is that all nearby pets within 30 studs will gain additional 0.10 XP for every gold ingot cosmetic in player garden. Okay. Basically, when you have the Golden Piggy, you also need the golden ingot. It's not here because it's in cosmetics, I think. Let's see. Yes, and you're just going to want to place it near something, preferably like a pancake stack or the horseshoe magnet to attract pets to go there. So to craft the gold ingot, you'll need to go back to the crafting tables, and you will need these items here: one giant pine cone, one daffodil seed, an advanced sprinkler, and 300,000 shekels. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.